with the crust. You see, the dry rice with the crust, it tastes so good. You see, this is the crust right there. It tastes so good. I will put it in a plate. Put the kettle in the pepper, the okra, and I'm done. We'll be adding a little bit of kettle on the rice. You see, this is what I'm gonna be eating. I'm not eating that much, just a little bit. Yes. For this one, I just need a little bit. I'm gonna put it on the side of it, this much. Look at this, guys. Look at this. The kettle, the dry rice, the fish. You see the heat coming out of it? Yes, I'm about to eat. I will be leaving in 2 minutes. All right, guys. If you have been here all to the end, thank you so much. If you came at the end of it, thank you so much. If you came at the middle, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, I'm about to go. I will see you on my next live stream. Okay, I will see you on my next live stream. Mmm, 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 mmm.